Hello students. Now let's continue with lesson number 4, that is angles and pairs of angles. We have completed up till the property of vertically opposite angle and practice at 20. Before that, I hope you all have enjoyed your Ganpati vacations. So now back to the studies. Now see children, the next topic what we are going to do today is interior angles of a polygon. Okay. This polygon means it can be any figure. Say for example, it can be a triangle, rectangle, it can be a quadrilateral, it can be a pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. That means polygon means any figure which can have 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, 6 side. Okay, so we will learn about the interior angles of a polygon. Okay, let us start with interior angles of a triangle, right? In your textbook what they have given, see interior angles of a polygon, in that what they have given, interior angles of a triangle. Now suppose if I draw one rough triangle, okay, angle here, name of the triangle ABC. So interior angle, that means, okay, measure of all the 3 angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Okay, so that is nothing but interior angles of a triangle. So just keep in mind that sum of measures of all the 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, the measure of all the 3 angles, sum of measures of all the 3 angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So here it is written in the textbook. You will open your textbook, page number 30, page number 3030. Okay, what is given? Measure angle ABC plus BAC plus ACB is equal to 180 degree. How much it is? 180 degree. Now here I will be writing, see children, what they have written, this is nothing but name of a angle in 3 letters. Now so you can see children, this angle A, okay, I can write the name of the angle as BAC. In 3 letters, how are we going to write the name of this angle? So I can write measure angle BAC. Okay, textbook we will write as per we will go as per our convenience. Okay, we are writing A as measure angle BAC plus, now we will be writing, say for example, B, that is ABC, measure angle ABC plus measure angle, this C will be writing as ACB, that is equal to 180. Okay, so this you are going to keep in that, or simple term also, measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means the first condition you have to understand that the sum of measures of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of, you will write the property, sum of measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Clear? So this is the interior angle of a triangle. Now in your textbook children, you can see on page number 31, one table is given. Okay, observe the table given below and draw your conclusions. In this first one is given number of side 3. So which polygon has 3 side? Triangle. And okay, what we call how we draw this triangle, it is already drawn. Number of triangles, how many triangle? Only 1 triangle. So it is 180 into 1, so that will be equal to how much? 180 into 1 will be 180. Okay, now coming to the next polygon, that is quadrilateral. How many sides quadrilateral is having? Okay, 1 2 3 4 sides. Okay, and this quadrilateral is divided into how many triangle? 2 triangle. You can see with the dotted part, 2 triangle. So it is 180 into 2, that means it is 360. So if I say sum of measures of all the angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Okay, it is how much? 360 degree. I hope you can see it is 360 degree. Okay, this is 180 degree and this is your 360 degree. So again I am repeating that measures of all the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Same way, if we see, take the next polygon, that is pentagon. How many sides are there in the pentagon? 5 sides. Okay, so the name comes pentagon. Now here this pentagon is divided into how many triangle? 1, 2, 3 triangle. So 3 triangle, 180 into 3. So that will be how much, children? 180 into 3. So it is 540 degree. Okay, same way hexagon 4. So it is 180 into 4, and 180 into 4 will become 720. Okay, heptagon. Now this same way, children, you are writing all this, you will complete this. Okay, so what it will be? 180. How you will write? 180 into 5, and that is equal to 900 degree. 180 into 5 is 900. Okay, same way this is 180 into 6, and that is equal to how much? 1080. Now here see, children, octagon they have not drawn, so you will draw one octagon, and you can draw also, and if you leave also, no issue. Okay, so this table, okay, this table you will be drawing in your classroom full till here, this till up till here. Okay, complete this full table you will copy in your classwork book, and then, children, you will write the point. Now you are writing the point. After drawing the table, you copy the point. The sum of measures of interior angles of a polygon is 180 into n minus 2. So first you draw the table, complete the table. Below that, make a star like this way, right here, right there, important point, and copy this point. The sum of measures of the interior angles of a polygon is 180 degree into n minus 2. Okay, so this much is understood. Okay, you have understood. Just copy down and learn the this important definition. This first you will be writing all this what we have written, interior angles of polygon. Draw this, copy this, then the table, and then the last that point. Clear?